Mark Taylor, Commercial Roofs of Texas, and I'm going to give you a quick tip for building owners, property managers. Have your roof inspected at least annually, if not semi-annually, depending on the roof type. And the reason is, and I'm going to show you a shot, is that debris left on the roof, old equipment left on the roof, materials left on the roof can cause damage to the roof system. And so they should, the trade that leaves it there should take it with them when they're done. But I'm going to give you an example of something that's been on this roof for quite some time, and it's damaging a wonderful Galvalume standing seam roof, because everybody that's been on this roof was just too lazy to do the right thing and pick it up. And it's not like it's a huge task for us to grab this and take it off the roof with us when we get done doing our inspection. So here's what I'm talking about. These are couplers for your gas line. So the gas line was installed, and you can tell this roof's been up here for quite some time. Gas line was installed, and they had additional couplers, and they left them on the roof. They've moved around a little bit, but as I move them, you'll see the debris, and there's rust. So this Galvalume roof panel should last, Galvalume should last 60 years. But when you leave steel on top of Galvalume for a long period of time, this is what happens. So when you have someone come up and look at your roof, these are the things they should be looking for. Not just getting on your roof looking for hail damage, not just getting on your roof to look at one specific item that's causing you issues. But I mean, it's going to take me 30 seconds to add these and take them off the roof with me, and it's going to protect your investment. And that's what your roofing contractor should be doing for you. So get with your roofing contractor and explain to them, listen, when you're up there, don't just jump up, look for hail damage and get down. Make sure everything's good. Take a little extra time and do the right thing.